Are you familiar with Poco's previous models? If not, don't worry. We're here to walk you through their journey. Poco, a sub-brand of Xiaomi, initially set out with a mission to disrupt the smartphone market. Their objective was simple, yet ambitious: to deliver high-performance smartphones at a price point that wouldn't burn a hole in your pocket. Their initial models were nothing short of revolutionary, offering powerful features that were hard to find in the budget segment. Each model was unique in its own right, but they all had one common selling point: exceptional performance at a budget-friendly price. From the flagship killer Poco F1 to the impressive mid-ranger Poco F5 Pro of 2023, each phone was a testament to Poco's commitment to their mission. They didn't just create smartphones, they created budget powerhouses that challenged the status quo. Now that we have a basic understanding of Poco, let's delve into their journey. What made Poco stand out in the overcrowded smartphone market? It's their flagship killers. Let's take a step back and remember the Poco F1, the phone that started it all. Arriving on the scene with a bang, it packed a punch with its Snapdragon 845 chipset, a high-end feature that was a rarity in its price bracket. It wasn't just about the powerful hardware though. The Poco F1 stood out with its liquid cooling technology, a large battery, and a decent camera setup, all wrapped up in a package that was aggressively priced. Then came the Poco F2 Pro. It took the winning formula of the F1 and improved upon it. With a Snapdragon 865 processor, it brought flagship-level performance to a wider audience. It also sported a pop-up selfie camera, giving users an uninterrupted display experience. The F2 Pro received rave reviews, with critics lauding it for its excellent value proposition, and users appreciating the top-tier performance without the premium price tag. The Poco F1 and F2 Pro were more than just smartphones. They were statements, bold declarations that you don't have to empty your pockets to enjoy top-notch performance. They disrupted the market, pushing other manufacturers to rethink their strategies, and ushering in a new era of affordable, powerful devices. But what really cemented Poco's reputation was the positive response from users and critics alike. The F1 and F2 Pro were hailed as flagship killers, offering high-end specs at a fraction of the cost of traditional flagships. They proved that Poco wasn't afraid to shake things up, to challenge the status quo, and to deliver on their promise of everything you need, nothing you don't. Poco's flagship models set a high bar in the market, but they didn't stop there. The journey of Poco is a testament to the power of innovation and disruption. They've shown that it's possible to deliver powerful, feature-packed smartphones at a price point that doesn't break the bank. And with their latest releases, they're ready to continue that legacy. Stay tuned to find out more about Poco's exciting new offerings. In 2023, Poco took the market by storm with the impressive mid-ranger, the Poco F5 Pro. This device was the epitome of a powerhouse, packed with features and capabilities that made it a strong contender in the mid-range segment. At the heart of the Poco F5 Pro was its hardware. It ran on a robust chipset that provided a seamless user experience, whether you were multitasking, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows. This was a phone that truly understood the meaning of performance. Now let's take a moment to talk about the camera. The Poco F5 Pro came with an advanced camera system that captured stunning, high-resolution images. With its unique AI features, it produced vibrant, detailed photos that were nothing short of professional quality. But the real magic of the Poco F5 Pro was in its battery life. This phone could go the distance, enabling users to go through their day without having to worry about running out of juice. Now, you might be wondering, how did this powerhouse stack up against other phones in its class? Well, let's take the Pixel 7a for instance. While the Pixel 7a was a solid phone in its own right, when it came to raw horsepower, the Poco F5 Pro had the upper hand. It packed more punch in terms of performance, making it a great alternative for those who wanted a bit more oomph in their device. Of course, no phone is perfect, and the Poco F5 Pro was no exception. There were areas it could improve upon. But the fact that it offered such powerful features at a mid-range price point was truly impressive. The Poco F5 Pro was a game changer, but Poco is not one to rest on its laurels. As we move into 2024, Poco has announced its new mid-rangers for the year, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro. And if the Poco F5 Pro was any indication, we can expect these new devices to bring a lot to the table. Kickstarting 2024, Poco has unveiled its latest mid-rangers, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro. These two new entrants in the Poco family are not just successors to the previous models, but they carry forward the brand's ethos of offering high-performance devices at an accessible price point. Let's talk about the heart of these devices, the processors. The Poco X6 boasts a Qualcomm chipset, while the X6 Pro is powered by MediaTek's latest premium chip. These chipsets are not just about speed, but they bring along significant improvements in energy efficiency and AI capabilities. Compared to their predecessors, these chips ensure smoother multitasking and an overall snappier user experience. Now let's shift our focus to the camera department, a domain where Poco has always strived to outperform. The Poco X6 and X6 Pro feature upgraded cameras that promise to deliver sharper, more vibrant photos. The hardware upgrades, combined with Poco's software enhancements, make these devices capable of capturing stunning images in virtually any lighting condition. What's more, these phones are not just about raw performance, they also pack in a host of additional features that make them stand out. With larger batteries, faster charging and more vibrant displays, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro are designed to offer a comprehensive smartphone experience. Of course, comparisons are inevitable. When compared to their predecessors, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro bring substantial improvements. They offer more power, better cameras, and a host of other enhancements, all while maintaining Poco's commitment to affordability. In conclusion, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro are more than just successors to the previous models. They represent Poco's relentless pursuit of offering high-performance devices at a budget-friendly price. With their impressive specifications and competitive pricing, these phones are set to shake up the mid-range smartphone market. The Poco X6 and X6 Pro promise to continue Poco's legacy of high-performance, budget-friendly phones. We've taken quite a journey through Poco's evolution, haven't we? From its humble beginnings as a sub-brand of Xiaomi, to its current status as a standalone entity known for producing smartphones that offer excellent value for money. Poco has thrived on the philosophy of delivering more for less, and it has been a thrilling experience to watch it unfold. We started off by discussing the company's flagship killers. These devices, like the Poco F1, were designed to offer top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost of other flagship devices. They were a testament to Poco's commitment to disrupting the market. And they did just that, redefining what consumers could expect from a budget-friendly smartphone. Next, we delved into Poco's impressive mid-rangers, such as the Poco F5 Pro from 2023. This phone was a great alternative to the Pixel 7a for those desiring a device with more horsepower. Its powerful hardware, combined with an affordable price tag, made it an attractive option for many. And now here we are at the start of 2024, with Poco introducing its latest mid-range marvels, the Poco X6 and X6 Pro. These phones carry forward the tradition of packing powerful hardware in an affordable package. They feature Qualcomm and MediaTek's latest premium chips and upgraded cameras, promising to deliver a superior smartphone experience without burning a hole in your pocket. In conclusion, Poco's journey so far has been nothing short of inspiring. It's a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation, all while maintaining a budget-friendly approach. The brand has continually challenged the status quo, forcing us to rethink our expectations of what a budget-friendly smartphone can be. Poco continues to redefine what we can expect from budget-friendly smartphones. We're excited to see what they have in store for us next. Remember, your support helps us create more content like this, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.